To allow reposting for your WhatsApp status on your smartphone, open the WhatsApp app, go to the Updates or Status tab. Now tap this plus icon to create a new status or update using photo or video. Now before publishing the status, tap this viewing icon, and here you'll find this option allow sharing. So just enable this option. This will let people who can see your status reshare and forward it. Once this option turn on, tap on done and upload the status. Now on, anyone will be able to easily repost your status. And now if you wish to repost someone else's WhatsApp status, all you have to need, open the status, and I'm going to chats panel and opening a conversation. Here as you can see, you were mentioned to this status. So if someone mentioned you to their status, then you will be able to easily repost the status by tapping on add to status, tap on send, and the status will be published to your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.